guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Critic Grove, and I'm starting a new video by seeing my setup. Like, I have a lit setup. I've got 1660 Ti, blah 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 blah. It doesn't matter what I've got, but this video is different. As you guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and leave a like if you enjoyed this video, because it's very special today. Most everybody knows the black from Blue Yeti, and if you're not new to my channel and you have watched a few videos, I use this mic. Hashtag it's trash. It is really trash. It's not focused today. This microphone is really bad. So I was watching a few videos and they said how to improve that people watch more your videos and everything. You should have good quality. My gameplay is gameplay. Like, you can't make better sound in game in any game like Fortnite and World of Tanks, War Thunder, etc. I have got a new microphone and it's 10 times better. You guys probably know what it is. It's Blue Yeti. Almost every YouTuber starts using the Blue Yeti because it's such a good plug-in microphone. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'll see you in right now. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I actually don't have it yet. I was so excited to get it that I actually already started to make the video, so that I don't lose any time, because I haven't uploaded in like 4 days. Like, what do you mean? So guys, finally I got the package from Amazon. Let's unbox it. Okay, I got now a new angle on my table, clear a little bit, so I can show you the unboxing of the Okay, now I got it in a wrap. Okay, and I've removed the foil now. So the Blue Yeti is a plug-in and go. It's a plug-in go microphone, and what makes the Blue Yeti really special, it has 4 awesome modes. So there's stereo, there's biodynamic okay. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. I can't English. Bidirectional and omnidirectional and cardioid. Probably saying that I'm wrong, but like, doesn't matter. Oh, and stereo it works almost from everywhere. Stereo mode, it works almost from everywhere. I'll give you guys a test later on stereo. And stereo is like, you guys know what stereo is. If there's a mic right here, let's say the mic is standing right here. Wait a second, let me see if it's okay in the camera. Okay, here's the mic. If my face would be here and I'll be talking into it, you hear it from the front, but if I go into the side and speak, then you hear me if you're using headphones, or also if you're using a good monitor or a good speakers, you hear me on the side and also on this side. That's stereo. Then you get bidirectional. What? Bidirectional. Bidirectional is good for podcasts. If you want 2 people on one side and on the other side, then it eliminates the sides and only picks up the front and the back. Then there's omnidirectional. It picks up everything. If you have like a video conference, it's awesome for that. And there's cardioid. Those are the best setting if you're doing voiceovers or gaming or even recording videos. And I'll do a little demonstration for every mode there is. So and on cardioid, it picked up only the front. That's awesome. It eliminates the sides and the back. It's totally eliminated, but you can hear a little bit. But it just has stabilize. It's a condenser microphone, so it picks up a lot, and it's the ultimate professional USB microphone. Okay, that's a little bit funny. Yeah, but it's actually not that professional because it's just a plug-in and it works, but it has an awesome sound quality. And on Amazon, it's about 140 euros on Amazon. You can also get it cheaper, but you can use cheap, like, used ones, or like $90 or also even $70, but I got the not used one, the one that what you would normally actually buy, because a used one is probably not that good if it's like older than 2 years and it doesn't sound that good anymore. But if you keep care of it, in 2 years it sounds as good as if you would get it right out of the box. I don't know how you should do this. Probably open it like this, or I'll just flip it on its head. I'm insane. And I'm sure it's like in there. Okay, you do get a USB microphone. Well, I don't know what it's a type. I don't know what type it is. It's one of those what you get by PS3 controller. I don't know what those called. I'm not into the USB stuff. One of these cables, well, you can see it here. Let me see. Let me focus. One of these ones. The new Blue Yeti X, I think it has the normal USB that you get on Samsung phones and those ones. So let's get out this baby. So here are some instructions. There's a Blue Yeti register. How about free support, 20% discount on your website store, giveaways for other fun stuff. Place of mind. It only takes a minute and you'll sleep better, we promise. Okay, there's a little bit setup and everything, how it works and how everything works. Like I looked at a few videos. If you get the Blue Yeti, okay, focus again. If you get the Blue Yeti, you don't speak onto the top of it, because it doesn't pick up on the top of it, it picks up on the side. But I'm not going to have it on the stand, I'm going to have it on my mic stand that I have over here. My mic stand that I have over here. Here we go. Here is the Blue Yeti microphone. It's really heavy. Okay, it's really heavy. It's really sturdy actually as well. Like, you would have it on your table like that, and you would have it like turned like that, and you would speak onto the top and the front. You would speak onto the front and the top up on here. It's actually really nice. It's actually really. It's made of metal, all metal. Down here, all made of metal. This red looks really cool. I'll get packaging out of the way. Okay, here we got it. It looks amazing. Right now I'm going to get my old microphone out of the way, because we don't need that anymore. Okay, now I got my old microphone out of the way and my new Blue Yeti microphone. It's the best microphone you can get for a starter microphone for a YouTube channel. It's awesome. You guys are gonna hear how good it actually turns out to be. I actually have to say, I don't know what's better, the Blue Yeti X or the original Blue Yeti. Probably the Blue Yeti X because it's new, and but I think right now the Blue Yeti and the Blue Yeti X are the best USB microphones in the whole world. They're probably going to get better ones, but now for the 21st century, it's awesome. It's amazing. Now I'm going to plug it into the computer and we'll hear how insanely good actually is. Or I can put it into my No, I can't put it into my camera. I thought I could put it into my camera. Rip. Okay, I'll go over on my computer and I'll see you guys in 3 seconds. Okay, this is a sound recording test with Blue Yeti on stereo mode. That means it's going to be a little bit weird for people using headphones. Now you can hear me on the right side of your ears. Now you can hear me on the right and the left side of your ears. Okay, now I'm going to turn on to omnidirectional. You can hear me everywhere. Now I'm on the top, now I'm on the front, I'm on the sides, and on the back. That should be omnidirectional. Yeah, it's omnidirectional. Now is bidirectional or bidirectional. This is bidirectional. You can hear me from the front. From the sides, you can't hear me almost not. You can't hear me that much from the sides. But you can hear me from the back as well as in the front. Now this is cardioid mode. Cardioid mode. Now you can hear me from the front, not so much from the sides, and it should eliminate almost everything from the back. And I would say if you're making like if you want to be a streamer or like a YouTuber, you should actually use cardioid mode. It's the best for everything. If there's something in the background, you can also mute. On the front of the Blue Yeti, there's a mute. There's a gain, a volume if you want that. You can also, on the bottom of the Blue Yeti, you can also put in a headphone jack. There's a headphone jack and you can put in your headphones. In the back, there's the knob and a gain level. You have to adjust that. If you have it a little bit like less than half the way, it sounds really good. Because I'm using like a little bit less than half the way, it sounds really good now. So I finally just got finished with editing the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will leave a link in the description where you can find this microphone on Amazon if you want to buy it. It's really, really good if you're starting a YouTube channel or something, or if you just wanted to broadcast, do anything. It's awesome. It's really, really good. I know I stuffed up with the editing, which you're probably going to see in the video. I legit couldn't speak. I couldn't speak. Like omnidirectional. I just couldn't. It's hard words. I'm only 12. Give me a break. It was really funny though for me for editing this. But thank you guys for watching the video. In the description, the first link in the description, there is for Amazon to get it. So if you go down there, it's right in the first link. And if you want to buy it, then it's up to you. It's really good. So I bought it, so you guys don't have to buy it and see if you like it or not. But it's a really good microphone, like I already said. And thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time in another video.